Hello everyone and welcome back to UE5 BP Guru. Today we're doing a very quick and easy tutorial, but it's just going to add another element to your projects. We'll ignore this, we're just going to move straight on up. And we're going to go down here. And what I've added in recently is the ability to interact and have dialogue come up. It's a very simple way to get this effect. And the way I've done it as well is if you wait and we'll click it again, you'll get a different dialogue option.
Oh my god, so much blood. What could have done something like this?
So, to do this, what we're going to do is we are going to go to our content drawer. We could, I made this in here, no. Interaction dialog. Okay, so we'll create a new blueprint and we're going to make an actor. I'll just call it ID Toot BP. Open it up, and all we need is a collision box. And we can go to the event graph, click on our box, scroll down, and get our begin overlap and our end overlap. Pull off from the other actor. Oh, and cast to third person character. And then we can get our get player controller and enable input. Make sure the target is on the player controller, and then disable input, and again put it onto the player controller and plug that in. And as always, we're going to be looking for the E key, because most things happen with either the E or the F key, and we should be good to go. So what we want to do is something slightly different than normal. Normally you would just play a sound, which is fine, but the problem you'll find is if you play a sound and I keep hitting the E key, it's going to overlap the sounds and keep adding a new sound and adding a new sound and adding a new sound until it just becomes absolute gibberish. So we can avoid this by actually getting our sound and making it into a variable. So we're going to create a 2D sound, and we're going to promote this to a variable. And then we're going to instance editable and expose on spawn. Now, what we can do is we can do a check of is valid. And we only want it to play if it's not valid. If it's valid in the world, that means it's playing, and we don't want it to, we don't want to create another one. We can promote this to a variable, and we'll call this, sorry, we may have made a slight mistake here. Remove that from there, because that's just our sound, but we need the reference if that's valid, because that won't exist in the world, but this will. So sound ref, and then we can play that sound reference. Oh, I don't know why. Okay. Start time's always 0, and then we'll take the sound reference and plug it in there. And using this method, we should have an ability now to interact with the world, and we can test this. If we go back to our starting point, let's add one in here. We'll take the new one we've just made, and we'll pick a sound.
Oh my god.
Let's pick something that's... Let's do the collapse sound. So if we now run over here, and just in front of the seat we press E, oh, get the collapse sound. And you can use that for dialogue or anything else that you want to have happen in that moment when he's interacting with that object. So yeah, hopefully you found this useful. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Much love, take care, bye!